Hi, so I've had a few people ask about the fire pit that I brought from Aldi this morning and asked if I could unpack it and if they could see it alight. So if I'm honest, I didn't expect too much from it because it is only $14.99. So I didn't expect very much from it at all. But I've just opened the box and the size of it is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So here's the box, right? And I thought it was going to be small inside, but look, it's the size of the box. That's really quite big compared to what I thought it was going to be. But anyway, I'm going to get it all out and then I'll light it and show you. Hi, so I've got the fire pit that I brought this morning from Aldi out the box, and I'm really impressed actually. It's so much bigger than, this is $14.99, $14.99. Less than £15 this is, and I'm so impressed. I thought it was going to be probably about the size of that inner circle, that inner hole. And it's not, it's quite large actually. So I'm going to put it together and I'm going to try and light it without setting myself alight so you can see what the flame's like. So you've got this piece that you put down there, and this is the pot that you put the, I don't know what this is called, it's like material stuff. So you put that in the middle there, you place this there, and then you squeeze some of your liquid fuel, you soak it. Woo! That was actually quite a lot. I thought it was a squirty bottle. And then you place this over the top, and then you set a light to it. So let's see what this is like. We ready? I'm not going to set myself alight. I'm going to put it there. This is not a proper lighter actually. Oh, there we go. So it's alight now, and you put this over the top. Let me show you. Oh my God. It's a smokeless. It's a smokeless one. And oh my God, that is stunning. I'm so impressed. This is stunning. And it gives off heat, and oh my God, I'm so excited. So it does come with a bag of little white stones that go around the outside of it, like on the inside, but I'm not going to use those today because I want to keep it for the caravan when we go away in the caravan next. But yeah, check out this flame again. I'm so excited. Daniel. Come and check this out.
Oh wow.
Come around here.
That is pretty cool.
Isn't it awesome?
What does it feel like? Joking.
Oh, don't put your hand right in. But that is incredible. I am so... $14.99. Guys, these are going to sell out. I can tell you now. These are going to sell out quick. So they came into Aldi this morning. We probably had about 10 in our store at Toaster. You need to run, literally run, and go and get one of these because, yeah, absolutely incredible. Oh, so when it's time to put it out, you've got this thing and you just simply place it over the top.
And it cuts out all the oxygen.
And yeah, it cuts out all the oxygen.
This is what it needs.
And yeah, we're smoking now, but... absolutely amazing. Oh, and you get some tongs. It's just you taking the mickey out. I'm excited. I absolutely love a bargain, and I've been after those other ones. I can't remember the name of it now, but they were a bit expensive and we couldn't really warrant spending that on a little fire pit. But yeah, this one absolutely amazing. Thumbs up from me.